Is Meta Business Suite free to use? This is one of the most common questions ChatGPT gets asked about the Meta Business Suite. So let's hop over onto the homepage and have a look at how many tools are free to use and how many you have to pay for. To connect your Facebook and Instagram page and access it using the Meta Business Suite is free. If you want to assign roles and permissions in the Meta Business Suite, that is also free as well. If you want to respond to Facebook and Instagram page messages using the Meta Business Suite, that is also free to use. Yeah! If you are wanting to create content for your pages, such as a post, a reel, or a story, that is also free to use. If you want to get insights and analytics into your page, viewership and engagement on posts, there is no charge for that either. If you run an e-commerce store and want to upload some of your products onto Facebook, there is also no charge for doing that either. So while most things in the Meta Business Suite are free to use, the only time you will pay for something is if you run an ad using the Meta Business Suite Ads Manager. Now, the great thing about that though is when it comes to setting up the ad, you can decide how much money you want to spend daily or lifetime, when the ad will start and when it will end as well. So if we come back to the homepage, that all but one tool in the Meta Business Suite is free to use. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Hit that like button if you did, and have a fantastic day, everybody.